Hey everyone, welcome to the UXK channel, and today I wanted to show you a modification that I made to this Martin OXK Concert ukulele. It's their HPL version of a Martin. This instrument came with Grover friction tuners. Very functional, they work, but friction tuners can be a little tricky to work with. I know the people that love them will just say, well, you have to get used to it, whatever, but I'm just not a fan. So what I've done with my other Martins in the past, and here's my S1. This is another Mexican-made Martin that I've had for some time. On this one, I ended up with some Gotoh UPTs, which are ukulele planetary tuners. Long story made very short is I bought these for a different instrument that did not fit. I have an Orca carbon fiber instrument that I won on Ukulele Underground some time ago, and I bought these for that instrument, and these are the long post, and they weren't long enough, so I actually had to buy banjo ukulele UPTs or planetary tuners, banjo planetary tuners for that instrument. So what I really wanted to do was to talk about why I put these on and a little about these tuners. These are their Jung planetary tuners. They are from AliExpress, the Chinese website, and they were about $40, whereas a set of Gotohs at their lowest is about $80. And some first, just noticing the buttons are much larger on the Der Jung tuners. The canisters are much taller. In fact, the Gotohs only have like 2 layers, whereas the Der Jungs have 3. And in pure length, these end up being about 36 millimeters from the base of the headstock to the end of the button, and these end up only being about 30. So you end up about 5 millimeters larger. Now, they work great. They are planetary tuners, so they tune smoothly and they hold perfectly, which is what you'd expect. They look fine. They're a little bit on the large side, but they're hidden. And again, people that are not fans of geared tuners don't like the ears sticking on the side. That solves that problem, but then that's what's facing you on the back. It doesn't bother me. This instrument I bought used, and it was about 2/3 of the initial price that someone decided they didn't want it. I think they went to a full Martin instead, a wooden Martin, probably the C1K. And these are now selling for $3.99. However, if you're not a big fan of friction tuners, there are things you can do. So you can put on a set of these. Now, realistically, the Gotohs I think are nicer. They're just more streamlined, they're smaller. If anything, they function a little more smoothly, not by much. And the Der Jungs work great, they're just bigger. And I don't think they are banjo planetary tuners, they are ukulele planetary tuners, and they're sold on AliExpress. I'll leave the link that I purchased these off, not a referral link, just a link to this item, and I found out about it on Ukulele Underground as well. So it doesn't change the playing of it at all. As a result, I've been bringing this one to school a lot. I like the neck shape on this Martin OXK Concert a lot. I like the flat neck. The width doesn't bother me. I think it's another 35 millimeter nut, but I'm used to that. And then I like that it's generally an impervious ukulele to most damage and most weather conditions. Could you break it? Sure. But it's a pretty safe bet versus something like a wood Martin that especially where I work in educational setting with students, you may not want a wood ukulele laying around. So I just wanted to show you those Jung tuners. It might be an option for you if you don't want to spend the money on Gotohs. Again, you can see the difference on the back, and you can see the difference side to side like that. And again, they're available for a very affordable price via AliExpress. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.